Hello guys, my name is Amal Bihari. So today we are going to see evolution of computers. So I'm going to tell one thing that actually when you're searching of my channel, don't type as Mr. Black Panther. I've changed as Awesome Dudes. So let's get started with evolution of computers. So here they have invented these machines many years before. So let's go through it. So here the computer was only affordable for scientists and for engineers. So, the term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, but a computer is not limited to perform only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. So, let's get started with history of computers. So, the need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented, leading to the development of computers. Next, we are going to is calculating devices. That is the 3000 BC abacus. So, abacus was the first mechanic device for the calculations developed in China. So it was made up of a wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts here. So this is the heaven and this is the earth. So each rod in heaven has two beads and each rod in earth has five beads. So it was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next one. Next is Pascal adding machine. The Pascal adding machine, that is Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanic calculator at the age of 19 in the year of 1642. So it used gears, wheels, and dials. So numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanic calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. So next is Leibniz calculator. So Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. So apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots. Next is early IT inventors. So Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computers. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. So the analytical engine had five units: input, output, store, mill, and control. These units worked like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. So store was used for storing the data and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. So next is Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. So Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician and writer, chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage's analytical machine. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested binary data storage, the 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. Next is Charles Xavier Thomas. So around 1820, Charles Xavier Thomas created the first successful mechanical calculator, the Thomas arithmeter. So that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide. It was based on Leibniz works. So next is Reynold B. Johnson. So Reynold B. Johnson is regarded as the father of the disk drive. So next is George Boole. So George Boole was an English mathematician. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them into series of positive or negative answered questions and linked them with binary system. It resulted in 1 for positive answer and 0 for negative answer. This system, known as the Boolean logic, became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuits. Next is John von Neumann. John von Neumann, a modern type computer came into existence with John von Neumann's development of software written in binary code. So it was von Neumann who started the practice of storing data and instructions in binary code in memory. So he also initiated the use of memory to store data as well as program. So Neumann joined hands with Prespericate. He is actually American electrical engineer, and John Mockley, American physicist, in a consulting role. And EDVAC was built using binary code in 1950. So EDVAC's concept of storing different programs on punched cards led to advancement of computers that we know today. Next is Howard Aiken. Howard Aiken was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controlled calculator, the Mark I, in 1944. It was capable to execute long computations automatically. Next is UNIVAC 1. UNIVAC 1. The full form of it is Universal Automatic Computer 1. UNIVAC 1 was the world's first commercially available computer designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mockley in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It was also first computer to become equipped with magnetic tape unit and to use buffer memory. So thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you, everybody. Bye.